I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at the Zoe stroller for twins. And this is a really nice travel stroller. It's very light, so if you're going to be traveling with two younger kids, it's side by side, double stroller here. And this weighs only 19 pounds. So it's very light and easy to fold, which I'll show in a second. But, I can easily lift this up one-handed. It's not a problem at all to be able to do that. Again, it is quite light, and that makes it easy, again, for travel. So again, in terms of the stroller itself, we've got these two areas for your kids. There's a bar on the front that's removable. So we just pull this in and pop this bar off. You can take that off for travel, but it becomes a nice little area to keep them contained on here. Footrest down at the bottom. And as you can see, the depth on these is adjustable. So if you want to recline one further and keep one more upright, you can easily do that. You've got this harness in here to keep everything secure with your kid if they're sitting up here in the stroller. And there's also these nice canopies that provide almost full coverage over them and have a UPF protection, so it's sun protective. And that's nice, especially for a compact stroller. If you're going to take it on vacation, it's nice to be able to have that fold out and provide that protection. On the back here, we've got this little mesh kind of storage area underneath if you want to put some items in there. And then as a brake, I can step down on this, and it's going to lock the stroller wheels in place there. So step down in the middle, and then I'm going to push on these by each of the wheels, and this is nice and locked in there. To unlock, I just raise that bar back up with my foot, and then I'm good to go again. And then the final feature I'll show here, it's also really easy to fold this up. So basically there's just these little pull things here. You can see that there's a lock icon, and I'm just going to pull up on this on one side. I'm going to pull up on the other side. And now you can see once I've done that, all I have to do is grab one of these loops, go ahead and pull up, and the whole stroller will fold into this compact unit that's easy to fit in your trunk. Or you can put it in a travel bag and put it in the airplane for travel, something like that. So good stroller, again, really designed for, I think, those kind of travel settings where you want to have something relatively basic but very light, very easy to fold that can still accommodate two kids.